Hey, beautiful people, it's Rickita. I'm back with another video. So in this video, you guys, I want to talk to you guys about the Sally Beauty Rewards credit card. So I actually got a comment asking me to do a review on this credit card. So I'm definitely going to do a review on this credit card. But yeah, if you guys want to make a video about any credit card, make sure you guys drop it in the comments below and I'll make you a video on that credit card. Now, when it comes down to the Sally's credit card, it's not going to be a Visa credit card. It's only going to be a store credit card, which means that you can only use it in the store if you want to make purchases in the store. And when you first sign up for this card, you open the card, you guys are going to get a $20 off coupon with the purchase of $50 or more. So that's really good. So when you open up your account, you got that when you first get in there. They don't have like a 0% interest rate when you first come in or anything like that, but that's kind of like their reward for you signing up. And then two, you guys will be able to earn an extra 2.5 points for every dollar that you spend with your credit card. So that's really good. You guys will get more points. If you guys are especially into the point system, you like to rack up points, get free things, then this would be perfect for you guys. Now, this credit card is with Community Bank. So the credit cards I did have with Community Bank were some like Victoria's Secrets, Express, basically like the shopping cart trick credit cards. If you guys know about the shopping cart trick, is with the same bank. So they have a good online system where you can go ahead and pay your bill. You can view your account activity, check your balance. You can do everything in there, and then even update your account information. So that's one thing I do like, that they are going to have a system with Community Bank that you guys can log into and see, exactly how much you owe. So I told you guys about this. This is in this 20% off of your next purchase. You get that as a welcome gift. I thought it was going to be $20 off. So I guess you guys will have both when you first sign up for it. And you guys will get free standard shipping on all of your orders and no minimum. So it don't matter how much you're purchasing, it's no minimum. You're going to get the free standard shipping, which is really good. And when your birthday come up, you're going to get a $10 reward, and then to the anniversary of your card. So when your card turned you had your card for 1 year, 2 year, 3 years, every year they're going to give you that $10 reward or a special gift. Now, I say all of that to say that let's look at some of the reviews that I've seen for the card. So I was looking around on the internet. I really couldn't find much on this card, but then I found this website called Finder.com. And they were talking about the credit. They was basically talking about the credit card. So you guys will have $0 annual fee, which I like that. That's cool with me. Remember, I don't like annual fees. So this is the type of credit card where you have a high interest rate, but it's nothing for you to keep the card because it's just, no annual fee. You're not going to get charged every year to have this credit card. So that's a bonus and a plus for me. High interest rate, but like I said, no annual fee. So if you pay off your credit card right away, like as soon as you get your bill, you pay your full balance. You don't have to pay any interest at all. So it could be just a card that you just racking up points on if you wanted to rack up points with the company. But they have the balance transfer. You can't balance transfer. It's not a Visa. The minimum credit score is 300. Usually, this is just their opinion too, but usually when I see credit cards like this, we're looking at probably like a 500 credit score to get this. But they say the minimum credit score is 300. That's good if that's what it is. And if you just starting off having credit too, usually they'll just give you the credit card if you don't have a credit score. So to sign up, you got to visit their website, and then you got to go ahead and click apply now. And then you got to create an account with them. So you got to register. And if you don't have a Sally account already, you have to register and apply. And they should be able to give you a decision right away. Now, they compared it to other credit cards, but the other credit cards are like Visa and stuff like that. So I wouldn't even compare this store credit card to them at all. But let's look at some of the reviews that I've seen. So it's 8 reviews altogether. All of them got 1 star. So, but let's read some of them. This one say they have a high interest and will cancel your card. They do have a high interest rate. And usually if you don't use your credit card like every year, I say every 6 months use your credit card, because if you are inactive with your credit card, then they may close your account. And usually that's after like a year and a half. So I just tell all my clients every 6 months, just buy something on it, even if it's for $1, just to keep that card active. So that's their complaint. We know it's a high interest rate. We knew that before we applied. So somebody said they opened it with no credit score. They end up closing the account and it dropped their credit score. Anytime that you guys, they close it due to inactivity. But I told you guys, use it every 6 months. This probably won't even happen. And then it brought down her score 10 points. So, it's an inactive account. If you're not using that account, usually they will close that account out. They won't. So that's normal for all credit cards. Somebody said they was charged on the card and they didn't tell them. So I don't know. This could be a mailing issue with them saying that they was charged on the card 2 months later. They seen that they had some fees. Stay on top of your accounts. Usually with these accounts, I never had problems with my payments or anything with Community Bank. You pay it right online and you can see everything that's happening online. So you would have seen right away you was charged and you would have found them fees right away. You wouldn't have waited. So this is just basically staying on top of your account. And then I seen somebody saying that they was taking advantage of older people. Her 81-year-old mother went into the Sally store to get some products, and they ended up signing her up for the credit card instead and put everything on the credit card. Her mom even gave her own credit card. So she was like, what is going on? Why would y'all give my 81-year-old mother a credit card? Oh, that sucks though. But yeah, these are all of the reviews that I did find it was bad. But in my opinion, I would still get this credit cards with Community Bank, especially if I was to go to Sally Beauty. If I went to Sally Beauty and bought a lot of things where I can rack up my points, you can get the free delivery too, I would get it because there's no annual fee. So it's not really necessarily hurting you. But, to each his own. Just understand and learn about when your bill is due, paying your bills, everything that has to do with being responsible with a credit card so that a lot of problems won't occur. It won't happen for you. You won't have the same problems as everybody else. But I'll see you guys in the next video. There's so many people out there with debt. So much debt, you guys, that they can't even get a car. They can't get a mortgage. They can't even get a credit card. A $200 credit card. Some people can't even get a secure credit card. So that's why I created my exclusive credit membership. And it's only $1, you guys. So my exclusive credit membership, you guys will actually get the letters to delete bankruptcies, charge off, repossessions, any negative account that you have in your credit reports. I have the letter so you guys can get that deleted. But guess what? Just because you guys are a part of my exclusive membership, you can get all those letters. But say if you don't want to do all that work, I have it so that you guys can get free credit repairs. So that means I will actually start working to help you remove these accounts from your credit reports. And look right here, look all the results that my clients are getting. So definitely remember, you guys can join my exclusive membership for just $1. And I'll have that link down below. Or you guys can text SCORE 21,000 and you guys will have that link. So I'll see you guys in my exclusive membership.